What I can tell you is Clutter Clarity is powered by Mr. Floor. Mr. Floor cleaning products are all non-toxic and environmentally safe. And you can learn more at MrFloor.com.
For those people who are new, this is the Clutter Clarity song because we talk about I've been lost in my own place.
Yeah.
You know, so I think maybe some people are just tuning in who haven't seen the show before and are like, why are they singing?
Sure. It's the words to the song.
Yes.
That
I'm getting
weird. It was
weary.
the only way we could keep you to stop talking about poop games. Look,
sorry.
squirrel.
Pooh. Pooh. How much time do we have left?
30 seconds. Go.
For Clutter Clarity.
Go.
Okay, so what do you do with the clutter that you have in your house? And you're thinking, yeah, you know what? I have this stuff, but it's kind of good, and donating is fine. Mm-hmm. Donating is great. Donate to Restore, donate to Goodwill, donate to all these places. But sometimes you're like, you know what? I could use a little cash for the holidays.
Yeah? Is that even possible?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Well, there's the big, obvious one.
eBay?
eBay.
Okay.
Which I like eBay if you have something that's...
of value?
Well, a lot of things are of value. It depends. You know, it's funny I shouldn't even tell people what I've sold on eBay because they'll be like, oh, now I could sell stuff on eBay. But you'd be surprised.
Go ahead.
Empty Tiffany jewelry boxes. Empty.
Empty?
Empty.
And what are they normally full of?
Jewelry.
Oh. Tiffany box. Okay.
Tiffany boxes. Empty.
Okay.
Yeah. They sell for a lot. But anyway, so eBay is an option. When all is said and done, you're looking at 15 to 20% commission that eBay takes with PayPal and everything. But, you know, it's a lot. Go to the post office, blah, 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 take all the pictures, blah, 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 you know, write the description.
For $5.
Yeah. So I always say, you know, if I'm doing this for clients, I want it to be at least a $20, $30 item when all is said and done. Because otherwise, anyway.
It's not worth the time.
Right. There are other places, though, local places that maybe a lot of people aren't aware of, and they're called virtual garage sale sites.
What?
Virtual garage sale sites.
Okay.
So if you go on Facebook and you search for your town or your neighborhood,
right,
like Lincoln Park or Highland Park or anything like that, you could search Highland Park virtual garage sale site. A bunch will pop up. And it's also good, so not only if you want to sell, but if there's things that you're looking to purchase. So people would purchase clothing, lots of clothing that their kids have outgrown. You get lots of that kind of stuff, gifts that people don't want. All you have to do that is request to join the community. That's easy.
You have to be accepted?
Yeah, but they just want to make sure, because a lot of times they don't want you to be too far away. They want you to be within a certain distance.
So you've got to stay you've got to be local.
Yeah.
Local.
So what you do then is, let's say you have a handbag. Handbags sell good. And you want to sell that. So you just take a picture of it. One picture usually is fine. Mm-hmm. And you post it and you say what your asking price is. It's not a bidding thing like an eBay. You say, what is your asking price? Where you live.
Can it be free?
It could be free. And absolutely, it can be free.
There's no listing fees.
Oh, yeah, there's no listing fees whatsoever.
So when you sell it, there's no
selling fees. Nothing. No fees whatsoever. The only issue with this is sometimes people don't pick up after they say they're going to. So it's like, you know, someone says interested, and that means that they want to buy your handbag for $20, say. And then you say, okay, here's my address. You don't want to give your address beforehand. Mm-hmm. And then people go, oh, that's too far. And it's like, well, I put in my description, you know, like I'm on Dempster and Dodge Street or whatever.
Sure.
And then they're like, oh, that's too far. Well, why didn't you read the description? Anyway, so you get that is a little bit of an issue. But the person would just come. You could leave it on your front porch, and they could just drop the money in the mailbox, so you don't have to have a personal. We're going to talk about this more after the break, because this is a really good thing to do. Hold on. We're going to talk after the break.
And it gets more stuff out of the house.
Yeah, but we'll talk more after the break.
We'll be back right after this.
Mighty House will return.